Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Budihas, your online math teacher. In today's video, you will learn how to use the remainder theorem. Let's start. The remainder theorem states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is p of c. For example, if p of x is equal to x cubed minus x squared plus x plus 3 is divided by x plus 2, then the remainder is obtained by evaluating p of negative 2. This negative 2 is coming from the divisor, which is in the form of x minus c, and we will get what is the value of c. Now, to do that, of course, we are going to equate the divisor x plus 2 to 0. So you have there x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then transpose this positive 2 to the other side. It becomes negative 2. And that negative 2 is your c. And that is the value of x. So from p of x, which is this one, we have to evaluate negative 2. So substituting the value of x, we have this. P of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 cubed minus negative 2 squared plus negative 2 plus 3. We have negative 2 cubed is just the same as negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. You just multiply negative 2 by itself 3 times, and that is negative 8. Then minus negative 2 squared, or negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. So you have positive 4, but it is preceded by minus sign or subtraction. So you have there minus 4. Then negative 2 plus 3, that is positive 1. Negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. Plus 1 is negative 11. So p of negative 2 is equal to negative 11, and that negative 11 is the remainder. Take note that in remainder theorem, we will care only for the remainder. We don't care about the quotient. If you are going to solve this in synthetic and long division, of course, you will arrive at the same answer. Now, if you are doubtful, you can try using synthetic division, and let's see if the answer is the same. Let's try some examples about remainder theorem. Number 1, what is the remainder when 3x to the power of 100 plus 55x cubed minus 1 is divided by x plus 1? Here's the solution. To find the remainder, we will be using the remainder theorem. First, let p of x be equal to 3x to the power of 100 plus 55x cubed minus 1, and the divisor x minus c is equal to x minus negative 1. That negative 1 is the value of c. When you simplify negative 1 times negative, and that's positive 1, that is equal to the given divisor x plus 1. And again, to get the value of x, we will just equate it to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Then transpose this positive 1 to the other side, and it becomes negative 1. And again, that negative 1 is your c, and that's the value of x. Second, we will evaluate p of x at x is equal to negative 1. Here's the p of x, then substitute the value of x, which is negative 1, and we have this 3 times negative 1 to the power of 100 plus 55 times negative 1 cubed minus 1. Negative 1 to the power of 100, that is just 1. Since the exponent is even, we are expecting positive answer. Then for 55 times negative 1 cubed, this negative 1 cubed here, we are expecting negative answer since the exponent is odd number. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1. Then just copy minus 1. 3 times positive 1 is 3. 55 times negative 1 is negative 55. And just copy negative 1. 3 minus 55 is negative 52. Minus 1 is negative 53. Therefore, the remainder when 3x to the power of 100 plus 55x cubed minus 1 is divided by x plus 1 is negative 53. That's the remainder. Example number 2. If 47 is the remainder when 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus k is divided by x minus 2, find k. Here's the solution. To find the value of k, we'll follow these steps. First, let p of x be equal to 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus k, and the divisor x minus c is equal to x minus 2. Since the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 2 is 47 as given here, by the remainder theorem, p of 2 is equal to 47. This positive 2, take note, is coming from the divisor x minus 2. We just equate it to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then transpose negative 2 to the other side and it becomes positive 2. So x is equal to positive 2. Second, evaluate and equate p of 2 to 47. P of 2 is equal to 47. Take note that our p of x is this one. And we will just substitute the value of x, which is 2. 3 times 2 cubed plus 5 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus k is equal to 47. That's our p of 2. Then 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. Multiply 2 by itself 3 times, and that is positive 8. Then 2 squared is positive 4. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Just copy plus k is equal to 47. 3 times 8 is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. Just copy minus 6 plus k is equal to 47. And 24 plus 20 is 44. Minus 6 is positive 38. Plus k is equal to 47. Now this time, you are going to transpose this positive 38 to the other side and it becomes negative 38. K is equal to 47 minus 38. And 47 minus 38 is positive 9. That 9 is the value of our k. To check if the answer is correct, we are going to substitute k is equal to 9 to our p of x and evaluate p of 2. So p of x is equal to 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus k. Just substitute the value of k, which is 9. And there you go. Then substitute the value of x, which is 2. P of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 cubed plus 5 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 9. 2 cubed, again, that's 8. And 2 squared, that's 4. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 9. 3 times 8, 24. 5 times 4, 20. Negative 6, just copy, plus 9. 24 plus 20 is 44. Minus 6 is 38. Plus 9 is 47. Since the value of P of 2 is equal to 47, then the value of k is correct. Now it's your turn. I want you to solve these two problems in individual practice to check if you really learned from this discussion, and please comment your answers below so that I can check also if your answers are correct. And that's all for today's discussion. Thank you for watching.